Alexa, turn on office light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off office light. तो दोस्तों ये तो आपको पता लग ही गया होगा, ये वाला वीडियो है इको डॉट स्मार्ट होम सिस्टम लाइटिंग्स के बारे में। तो बिना किसी देरी के आइए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सो वेलकम टू द येट अनदर एपिसोड जिसके अंदर हम एलेक्सा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। एंड एज आई प्रॉमिस्ड इन द पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस वीडियो वी वुड बी शोइंग दैट हाउ टू कंट्रोल योर हाउस लाइटिंग्स इन अ बजट मोड यूजिंग एलेक्सा सर्विसेज. Okay, so Alexa is a very smart device altogether which can take care of many other things in your house. So today we will be going to show you that how you can connect your house lightings using Alexa voice control system in a budget manner. So if you go on to a higher range, there are many things which are available, like there is Philips Hue light which is available, which cost around 3,000-4,000 rupees, right? So that is a pretty expensive thing. So I would show you something in budget using which you can control your house lights, fan and all the light equipments using the Alexa. So this is the device which I am talking about. So it is Sonoff basic Wi-Fi smart switch, and this thing I've ordered from AliExpress, though this is also available on Amazon India. You can buy it from Amazon. So I'll just unbox it and quickly show you that how this device works. So unboxing this device, so it is a Chinese manufactured device. So I'll just so this is the operations and how to control things and how to set up. So we'll keep it after and we'll read it afterwards. And these are some screws which would be going here. So I'll just quickly show you. So as you can see in this device, this is the input and this is the output. So any of the connections, any of the power supply which goes in goes from this input part, and the outcome, like the device gets connected from the output point of source, right? So I'll just quickly open this thing and I'll show you that what is inside this and how the chip looks like. So this is the chip, right? So many things attached to the chip, but we know the basic thing that how to set up. It's like this is the input and this is the output, right? So we'll close it for now, right? So just to give you the demo of the thing, I have actually made something. I'll just show you. So this is the Alexa and this is the light bulb which we have connected, and in this light bulb what we have done is we have connected this particular device. So this is the input part where we have connected it to the power source, right? The normal power plug we have connected it to, and this is the output. We have connected it to this bulb holder, and then we have connected a LED bulb. I'll just zoom out a bit so that you can see everything. Right, so this is the complete setup which we have done right now. This is the device, this is the bulb, this is the Alexa. So I'll just quickly give you a brief demo that how the things work. So let me just unmute it. Alexa, turn on office light.
Okay.
So here you go. So using this device, the Alexa has turned on the office light. So I'll just switch it off once again. Alexa, turn off office light. Okay. So as you can see that how it is working, I've shown you the entire mechanism, that how this thing works, the entire infrastructure, that how we have created everything to give you a demo. And now I will show you that if you have got a new switch, how to use it, right? So it's about the using part which we show in our videos. So just to give you a brief that how to use this thing, the first thing is that you need to power it on. See, you can see on this device the green light, there is a green light which is glowing, and this is the reset switch. So of course if there is some malfunctioning, if your device is not connected to the Wi-Fi, if there is no power in the Wi-Fi box, how you can control it manually, there is a switch, you can just press it, you can just press it again. So you can control this manually also in case there is no power or there is any emergency sort of thing. Wi-Fi, so as soon as you start to configure this device, you need to first press this particular button for 5 seconds, and as soon as you press this particular button for 5 seconds, the light starts to blink. It blinks 2 times and then continuously on. It blinks 2 times and then continuously on. It means that it is ready for the pairing part, right? So this particular device is ready to be paired, and for that purpose you need to download this particular app which is here, and the name of the app is EWE Link, right? So I'll just quickly open and show you. You need to create an easy account. So just like you create your Gmail account and other things, you need to create this account, right? And as soon as you open it, it gives you an option. It gives you an option to add a device, right? So from this point, as soon as you log in with your credentials like your phone number and other things, you just need to add on this plus button and you need to pair your device. So it says quick pairing mode. We will select that, and it says the light will blink twice and then continuously on, and then blink twice continuously on. It means that the switch is in the pairing mode. So to do that, you need to press this button for 5 seconds as we have earlier told you. So as soon as you do this, you click on the button next, and then it asks for Wi-Fi password and your Wi-Fi name. So as soon as you have given your Wi-Fi name and your Wi-Fi password, what happens next? You just click next, right? So it gets into the pairing mode, and this is the time when it identifies the device, right? So device is being identified in this part. So as soon as the device is, of course we have done this thing, so our device is of course showing as office light. So this is the bulb which is connected, so it would automatically come, and in the last step it would ask for the name, right? You can give any of the name to the device, right? I have given it office light. You can give it whatever, XYZ, whatever you want, like the dining room light, etc, etc, etc. So this is how it works. And once your EV-Link skill is configured onto Alexa, you can control everything, every single device which is there using your Alexa. And once it is configured with Alexa, no need to open Alexa now. You just need to open EV-Link and you can add as many devices as you want. So guys, the setup has been done for the Amazon Echo Dot plus the light. So as you can see, the office is still under construction, right? So everything is messed up a bit. So I have connected the Echo Dot at this point, and as you can see that all the smart switches have been connected to all the devices. And do remember that these smart switches must go with the devices with low voltage. So if you connect these things to an AC or any other device, they might burn out. So please do make sure that only small devices are being connected. As you can see, this device is connected to these lights, right? So one more thing, as you can see in all the devices, there is a green light which is constantly glowing. So that means that device is connected to the internet. And in this fan also, so these lights plus the fan is connected with the Echo Dot. And I'll show you the other room as well. So in the other room also, the lights, see, this is yet to be fixed. So this is the device and the fan. These things are connected with the Alexa Echo Dot. Just hold on for a moment. I'll just quickly show you that how the configuration have been done. Alexa, turn on office fan. Okay, so as you have seen, I've said Alexa to turn on the office fan, and the office fan is on. So I have ordered a total of 5 devices. See, the work is still going on. So one I have connected to the light in that room with the fan, and one is another one for the fan. So 2 are occupied there, and one is connected to the lights in this room, and one is connected to the fan. So 2 more. So that is a count of total 4. And one I have connected in the washroom with this particular light. This is not yet configured, so that's why the green light is not constantly glowing. It is just blinking, right? So I still need to configure this. Rest all the other things have been configured, right? So this is the MI router which we are using for the internet at this point of time. Right, so we will do a review if you want shortly. Otherwise, there are many reviews for this particular router which are available. It is available on Amazon at around 1,000 bucks, I guess. So I'll just quickly show you one more demo for the particular thing, and this time it would be for the lights. Alexa, turn off office lights. Okay, so the lights have been off, so I have given separate names. So for this thing I have given office lights, and for this thing I have given sitting area lights. So let me first switch on the office light first, so that I could show you that how sitting area lights are operated. They are operated just in the same fashion. Alexa, switch on office lights. Okay, so they are back on again. So one more thing which you need to remember is that whenever you are switching on these devices take 2 or 3 minutes to calibrate and to connect to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi must be on, the Alexa must be on, because Alexa also takes 2 to 3 minutes. So these things you need to remember, and once everything would be in place, because it is messed up right now, once everything would be in place, I'll do another review. If you would require, please do let me know in the comment sections below. Like this particular episode in which we have taught you how to configure the particular thing using a Alexa, right? So please do hit the subscribe button, please do subscribe to our channel, and other than that I would also give you the link from where you can buy this particular device. This particular device cost around $500, right? So you can buy it online from Amazon, and I would also give you the link of AliExpress if you are friendly buying it from China. It would take some time, around 2 or 3 weeks, to drop in at to your doorstep, but it is worth buying, because from China you can get this particular device for around $350, but from India if you are buying it, this device would cost you at around $580 or $550, right? So if you have liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, and please share this video so that other people can also make their home automated. Thank you so much.